Sangram Keshari Parida. I am a resident of the district of Cuttack. I did my schooling from St. Paul's School, Rourkela, and thereafter did my graduation BTech from Konark Institute of Science and Technology, Bhubaneswar. Thereafter, I was working as a software engineer in Cognizant Technology Solutions, Kolkata. And after that, I was working as an assistant section officer in the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment at the State Secretariat. And after that, now presently, I am working as an additional Tahsildar at Bahanagar Tahsil, Balesur.
So you have already working in the revenue department?
Yes, sir.
Additional Tahsil means you got
Odisha Revenue Service, yes, sir.
You got ORS,
yes, sir.
ORS. So now you want to upgrade to OS?
Yes, sir, definitely.
For the EG, the quick further promotion?
Yes, sir.
So what is your experience? Now you have worked for additional Tahsildar for how many days? How many years?
Sir, nearly about 1 year.
So then you must have experienced something about the Oriya, the real picture of the Oriya people, the poor people of Odisha.
Yes, definitely, sir.
So what is your impression about that is the economy of such persons?
Yes, sir. Being at one of the, though it is one of the remotest places, Bahanagar, it is very much proximity to the sea, Bay of Bengal. However, it is very much close to Balesur, which is a township, and obviously very much nearer to the intellectual city, Kolkata. So, however, people, yes, poor people are there. People, those who are, migrants also are there from Bangladesh. Migrants, people are there, and people from Bengal are also there. And experience has been good because prior to this, sir, I was working as an ASO in the secretariat, where I wasn't having any option of dynamism and to directly work with the people. However, when I joined in the revenue services as additional Tahsildar, I have come across.
Direct recruiting.
Yes, sir.
Direct recruiting, ORS.
Yes, sir.
There are also promotees.
Yes, sir. Promotees and select recruitees. Yes, sir.
Did you come last year to appear this interview?
No, sir. Last year in 2015 I came.
Did you come before last year?
Yeah, 2015. Yes, sir. I have met you, sir, earlier. Yes, sir.
I have marked you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember, sir.
You remember me?
Yes, sir. I remember. Exactly.
I was putting some questions to you about that ORS matter. You are additional Tahsildar.
Yes, sir.
What sorts of jobs entrusted to you?
Sir, almost everything. Almost. Because when I joined as additional Tahsildar,
there must be a Tahsildar.
No, sir. When I joined in Bahanagar Tahsil, there were no Tahsildar. So I was in charge Tahsildar for the first 6 months. And thereafter, regular Tahsildar was posted.
There was no regular Tahsildar?
At that point of time when I joined.
You were in charge of the Tahsildar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are in charge of the Tahsildar?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by mutation?
So, mutation is a financial agreement in which the column 2 of the ROR, recorded ROR, the patta, the column 2 is changed from the...
Financial agreement?
It's a financial transaction, sir.
Financial transaction?
Yes, sir. By which
land transaction?
Sir, it's land. Actually, it is called a financial land remains the same, but the ownership changes. So it's a financial transaction in the way the khajana, the rent and sales, that changes. That also remains the change, but just the name of the owner from the vendor to the vendee, the name changes in a mutation.
What is the recent circular of the revenue department?
Yes, sir.
Regarding implementation of mutation?
Yes, sir.
Or regarding purchase and sales of properties and other things.
Yes.
Have you gone through that?
Yes, sir, definitely. It is actually our principal secretary, Dr. C.S. Kumar. He is vigorously pushing up with the online mutation processes. Earlier it was offline mode, but now everything has been made online. That through Bhunaksha app.
Do you have any knowledge about demarcating the land? How the land is demarcated?
Sir, personally, I have.
Have you visited any field at the time of demarcation?
Yes, sir. I visit, sir. If there is any law and order situation, usually I used to direct my amings.
I am not telling you about law and order situation. At the time of common measurement, the simple measurement,
yes, sir.
Somebody has applied to the Tahsildar, sir, yes, my land pertaining to Khatar such and such,
yes,
lot such and such is required to be remeasured. Because yes, I had my doubt that my area somebody has encroached my area.
Yes, sir.
Such type of cases I am telling about.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever visited those cases?
Yes, definitely, sir. I have been.
And the land has been measured by the means of the
Revenue supervisor or
in your presence.
Yes, sir. It has been done.
Tell
Actually,
me very frankly, but no those that goes to the field I understand.
no, sir. Actually, I had a keen interest.
Do you have any idea?
Yes, yes.
Then I will put you other questions.
Yes, sir. Bare minimum idea I have about that because.
How the land is measured? What is the basic?
Sir, basic because I have.
Fundamental thing.
Yes, sir.
How it is measured? You are going with your field persons
Yes, sir.
to measure a particular land.
Yes, sir.
How to proceed fast? Tell me.
Yes, sir. So we go with a chain. One chain which is 100 codis. One chain has 100 codis,
Right.
and the length of the chain is 66 feet. And one codi it is 7.92 inches.
Then any other things?
And so besides that we go with gunya and divider.
Dunya and divider.
Yes, sir. And along with that map of this particular place.
With the map of the village.
Yes, sir.
And other
And
things.
besides that, sir, though I order, I stand over there. They search for any survey mark, either Dostimali.
What is that scale? Is it called that is divided by some strings there?
Yes, sir. 20 decimals. One unit,
Is
20
that
decimals.
Very small instrument.
Gunya, sir. We call
What
it.
is it called? What is it called? That is gunya.
Gunya, sir. Yes, sir, yes.
मझिरे सुताता है.
Again, sir.
ताको कौन ताको कौन ताको?
Sir, ताको तो 20 decimal ताको मापिया पाई just हमें जैसे मापू जो बड़े plot.
Divider that no, the divider that divider is measured by that
Map. We put it on the map first. मैं sir map रे पको ताको आगे गुनिया तो map रे आगे पकाई दो जितनी distance था बाहरे ताको गुनिया रे रखी दो sir. तो तादरे गोटे unit 20 decimal टा आसे sir.
एकर का कितने स्क्वायर फुट?
सर गोटे एकर तो हमरो गोटे एकर सर स्क्वायर फुट रहेगा तो गोटे स्क्वायर फुट है 4 डिसमिल सो गोटे एकर एग्जैक्टली 1000 स्क्वायर फुट सर 1000 सर yes sir
1 acre 1000 feet only.
oh sir 1 decimal equals to 100 square feet into 100 decimals. So 1 decimal 1 acre 1000 into 25.
Mustaqil chanda.
Sir, that is what I am saying. So first of all, we search for Dosimali or Trisimali, and if those Dosimali and Trisimali is not there, we search for that Mustaqil Chanda. That is also a survey mark which lies in adjacent to 4 to 5 different plots. In between this will be one plot, this will be another plot, this will be another different plot, this will be another different plot. So that's Mustaqil Chanda is a very good survey mark for initiation of the demarcation process, sir.
Then if something goes wrong at the time of demarcating the land,
Yes, sir.
if something goes wrong,
Sir.
demarcating or measuring the land,
Yes, sir.
how to rectify it?
So again, if during that particular time of time, either two type of problems may arise. Either one, the concerned party he will disagree with our demarcation. Sometimes because I have been there to the fields and they start arguing ki no you are not demarcating properly. Suppose if a person, because the demarcation happens between two people, if there are two land boundaries. So if one person is dissatisfied.
Have you undergone training?
No sir, 15 days training just. Basic
Training is the
Roti, sir. Again, sir.
There is an institute.
Revenue officers training institute.
Revenue officers training center.
Yes, sir.
Have you undergone training there?
Yes, sir. Basic just training for 15 days.
For 15 days only.
Yes, sir.
Have your staff, anyone, those who are given the responsibility to demarcate the land in the field,
Yes.
be trained up?
So they might have taken training, means, and because they are old persons, so they would have definitely taken training. But specifically for the purpose of demarcation, we haven't been that trained actually, because it's the domain of the amins and revenue supervisors. Because of that only, sir.
When did you, last time you appeared in the exam 1915?
2016 also, sir, I wrote, but
you did not come out successful.
yes, sir, because of paucity of time, I couldn't study properly, so that's why it's a problem.
Possibility of time.
Positive time, sir. Actually, less time. So,
If there is a will, there is a way.
yes, sir. Definitely, but I couldn't crack the mains examination,
You
sir.
must crack the net.
Yes, sir.
You try sincerely.
Yes, sir.
This time you have done well. You have passed out in written examination.
Yes, sir.
Particularly, you are working as additional personnel. If they want to know that you are already in job,
Yes, sir.
I will ask you so many questions. Performance and other things. What is Form K2,
Yes, sir.
Form F,
Format.
Form G.
Yes, sir. Land encroachment, G form.
All these forms,
Yes, sir.
please keep it in your mind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remember each and everything very clearly.
Definitely,
Tell
sir.
them very precisely. And don't be over smart.
Ji, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't be over smart.
Okay, sir.
Don't be over smart. I think you know everything and more than don't expose yourself that you are acting.
Yes, sir.
And you are showing your over smartness.
Okay, sir.
Don't do like that. But you must be thorough
Yes, sir.
about the procedure, process, nutrition.
Yes,
The
sir.
notice is given to the village.
Yes, sir.
For how many days?
Sir, 15 days.
Who carries the notice?
Yes, sir. The process servers.
The process server.
Yes, sir.
He fixes the notice.
Yes, sir.
Where? He delivers the notice to the party concerned.
Party concerned.
If he fails to deliver it, then he fixes it at the conspicuous village.
Yes, sir.
And obtains a signature of some important persons of that village.
Yes,
They are
sir.
not doing the village there. Actually, it is not done.
Yes, sir.
Not done. Any doubt? You are an old student. You are an experienced man.
Yeah.
You know more than others. Any doubt? You tell us anything.
Sir, obviously, मैंने अपने सर गाइड करियो केमती कौन भल से केमती preparation और कौन को
Also hobbies, extracurricular, gauging stars.
Sir, sky watching, sir.
You are a sky watcher.
Yes, sir.
It's a very funny habit.
No, sir. I just try to find out the various constellations in the sky.
Accepting sun.
Obviously, sir.
Accepting sun.
Sun, yes, sir.
Which is the nearest star to Earth?
Sir, it's Proxima Centauri. After our solar system, the nearest star is Proxima.
Accepting sun. Sun is the nearest star.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the accepting sun? Which one is the nearest one to Earth?
Sir, Proxima Centauri, sir.
Proxima
Centauri.
Proxima Centauri.
Yes, sir.
Or Sirius.
So Sirius is the brightest star in our solar system. However, Sun and along with it planets. So the
You
nearest.
verify it whether Sirius or what are
Sir,
you-
Sirius is the brightest star which we are able to see in the night sky. It is in the Canis Major constellation. Sirius is the brightest star, sir. And however, the nearest one is the Proxima
See
Centauri.
what the star gauger.
Yes, sir.
देखिए हम कथा था ये
From the north direction. Which star is visible?
Sir, north pole star, sir.
Pole star.
It is on this, sir.
That is called
The northern star or the pole star?
northern star.
Yes, sir.
Northern star, pole star. What is called in Oriya?
Sir, Dhruva Tara, sir.
Dhruva Tara.
I guess, sir.
Meditation.
Yes, sir. After joining, sir, recently, though it wasn't a hobby with me, but after joining the services, recently I have developed it as a hobby to practice meditation early in the morning.
You do not like sports and games.
Yes, sir. I do like, but being after getting into services, we actually don't
You are a
get.
young man, you do not like even reading books.
Yes, sir. Obviously, I like reading books, sir.
Then
Motiv-
I have given the option that gauging star gauger. He is a star gauger.
That is one of my hobbies to find out the various constellations, and I mean, we are very much.
Stars are unaccountable, uncountable.
Uncountable. Yes, sir.
Uncountable. Getting at stars, it is just expression of one's vacuumness.
Yes, sir. To find out the various connections.
Pessimistic ideas.
Okay, sir.
When one becomes pessimistic or gets perturbed or in deep trouble, he looks up. No,
sir, I've got many applications in my mobile. I also watch the International Space Station.
Yes, sir. Anything to be asked to him, sir?
Right, sir.
He is a very senior man. He is working as close and he knows many things. We believe this time he will pass out.
Thank you so much, sir. Apna blessings, Ashirwad thau, sir.
Remember one thing.
Again, sir.
You had mentioned there as additional to
Yes, sir.
You cover your chapter there.
Exactly, sir.
They will put so many questions out of your
job.
Sir, ଭଲ କଥା କହିଲେ sir ସବୁ form ଗୁରା at least ମୁଁ ସବୁ
ସବୁ form ହବ କେତେ ଦିନ କରାଯିବ there was some act irrigation act oiler act mutation act ଆମର जो OPL
OPDR
ସେଗୁଡା go through the acts ठीक है बहुत समय ଅଛି ଆଉ ବହୁତ act ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡା ପଚାରିବାର ସମୟ ନାହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଯେ ଜାଣିବ ପଚାରିବ ଏତେ ଜିନିଷ ଭିତରେ କୋଉଟା କିଏ ପଚାରିବ ବି କହି ହେବ ନାହିଁ but try to give them the right answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जोटी आसे नहीं don't give a bluff.
No, sir. No, sir.
जोटी आसु नहीं
sir.
सर कही पारुनी सर कोठी मोर मने नहीं पढ़ी थिली किंतु मोर एक्जेक्टली मु कही पारुनी
आज्ञा सर
जानी थी मु जानी थी किंतु एक्जेक्टली को कोटा कोन मु कही पारुनी ए टाइप रे विचार देले देलु भी जाओ पढ़ी हम नो पढ़ी ता नो देखि ता हो जाओ
आज्ञा सर
God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. नमस्कार सर
सीधा ब्लॉक माने चली
आज्ञा सर सर आउ जदी किछि इंप्रूवमेंट सर एमती किछि जदी आपण कोन कहना जदी आपण कहना आपण गुरुजन लोक आपण ऑब्वियसली मते गाइड करिवे आउ किछि फर्दर इंप्रूवमेंट जदी रिक्वायरमेंट किछि अपार्ट फ्रॉम थैंक यू सो मच सर नमस्कार आज्ञा
कथा कहला टिके बेसी हस हस मुह हे
नहीं हस मुह नहीं दैट इज माने natural expression that is not harmful that is natural expression
seriousness टिके रख
आज्ञा सर
बेसी सीरियस है खराब natural
आज्ञा सर
that's natural देखो
थैंक यू
natural don't show your unnaturality
yes
unnatural नहीं बोलिए
नमस्कार सर थैंक यू सो मच
संग्राम केशरी परिदा